Hello, I'm Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khere, Faculty of Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, discussing the chapter The Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985 with Rules 1985. Introduction. The central acts like Opium Act 1857 and the Opium Act 1878 and the Dangerous Drugs Act 1930 were enacted a long time ago. With the changing circumstances and the development in the field of illicit drug traffic and drug abuse at national and international level, many drawbacks have come to notice in the said act. There was an urgent need of overcoming these drawbacks. The Government of India has repealed these old acts and passed the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985, rectifying the deficiencies in the above mentioned old act. Objective of Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act. It contains the stringent provisions to prohibit, control and regulate the operations related to narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. It provides licensing system for both central and the state government to regulate the manufacture, cultivation, import, export, interstate traffic, transportation, sale and possession of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance. Then to consolidate and amend the law relating to narcotic drugs to make stringent provisions for the control and regulations of operations relating to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance and for matters connected therewith. Definition. First, addict, a person habitual to regular use of any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance is known as addict. Then cannabis hemp, it includes the following: charas, which is a resin in crude or purified form obtained from the cannabis plant, which includes concentrated preparations and a resin known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. Ganja, which comprises of flowering or fruiting tops of the cannabis plant, excluding the seeds and leaves not accompanied by the tops. Then, any mixture with or without any neutral material of ganja or charas or any drink prepared from them. Then, definition of coca derivatives. Crude cocaine which can be used directly or indirectly for the manufacture of cocaine, icogonine and all its derivatives from which it can be recovered, cocaine which is methyl ester or benzyl icogonine and its salts, and the preparation containing more than 0.1% of cocaine comes under the definition of coca derivatives. Coca leaf, it includes the leaf of coca plant excluding the leaf from which all icogonine, cocaine and any other icogonine alkaloids have been removed, and any mixture thereof with or without any neutral material and does not include any preparation containing less than 0.1% of cocaine. Narcotic drug, it means coca leaf, cannabis, opium and poppy straw, including all manufactured drugs. Opium, it means the coagulated juice of the opium poppy and its mixture with or without neutral material, excluding the preparation containing less than 0.2% of morphine. Then psychotropic substance, it means any substance, natural or synthetic, or any salt or preparation of such a substance or material which is included in the list of psychotropic substance specified in the schedule. Then we will see powers of central government to permit, control and regulate. First, the cultivation or gathering of any portion of coca plant or the production, sale, purchase, transport, import interstate, export interstate, use or consumption of coca leaves. Second, the cultivation of the opium poppy. Third, the production and manufacture of opium and production of poppy straw. Then, the sale of opium and opium derivative from the central government factories for export from India or sale to state government or to manufacturing chemist. Then, the manufacture of manufactured drugs but not including manufacture of medicinal opium or any preparations containing any manufactured drug from materials which are lawfully entitled to possess. Then, the manufacture, possession, transport, import interstate, export interstate, sale, purchase, consumption or use of psychotropic substances. Then the import into India and export from India and transshipment of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Then control on certain operations by central government. According to the rules, government shall fix from time to time the limits within which license may be given for the cultivation of opium poppy. Then all opium, the product of land cultivated with the opium poppy, shall be delivered by the cultivators to the officers authorized on behalf of central government. The central government may from time to time fix the price to be paid to the cultivators for the opium delivered. Then the rules may prescribe the forms and conditions of license or permits for the manufacture, possession, transport, import interstate, export interstate, sale, purchase, consumption or use of psychotropic substances. The rules may also prescribe the authorities granted and the fees that may be charged thereof. The rules may prescribe the forms and condition of license for cultivation of the opium poppy and for the production and manufacture of opium. The rules may prescribe that opium shall be weighed, examined and classified according to its quality and consistence by the officer authorized in this behalf by the central government in the presence of the cultivator at the time of delivery by the cultivator. The rules may provide for the weighment, examination and classification according to the quality and consistency of the opium received at the factory. The rules may prescribe the forms and condition of license for the manufacture of manufactured drugs, the authorities by which such a license may be granted and the fees that may be charged thereof. The rules may require that opium delivered by a cultivator, if found as a result of examination in the central government factory to be adulterated, may be confiscated by the officer authorized in this behalf. The rules may prescribe the ports and other places at which any kind of narcotic drugs or psychotropic substance may be imported into India or exported from India or transshipment. The forms and condition of certification, authorization or permits, as the case may be, the authorities by which such a certificates, authorizations or permits may be granted and the fees that may be charged thereof. Offences and penalties. For the offence like punishment for contravention in relation to poppy straw, for the punishment for contravention in relation to the coca plant and leaves, and for the punishment for contravention in relation to prepared opium, the penalty is rigorous imprisonment for not less than 10 years, which may extend to 20 years with fine not less than 1 lakh rupees, which may extend to 2 lakhs rupees. Punishment for contravention in relation to opium poppy and opium, and punishment for embezzlement of opium by cultivator. It is rigorous imprisonment for not less than 10 years, which may extend to 20 years with fine not less than 1 lakh rupees, which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. Then punishment for contravention in relation to cannabis plant and cannabis, where such a contravention relates to ganja or the cultivation of cannabis plant, rigorous imprisonment up to 5 years with a fine up to 50,000 rupees. Then where such a contravention relates to cannabis other than ganja, rigorous imprisonment not less than 10 years, which may extend to 20 years with the fine not less than 1 lakh rupees, which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. Then punishment for contravention in relation to manufactured drugs and preparation, and punishment for contravention in relation to psychotropic substance, and punishment for illegal import into India, export from India or transshipment of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance is rigorous imprisonment for not less than 10 years, which may extend to 20 years with a fine not less than 1 lakh rupees, which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. Then punishment for external dealing in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance in contravention of the provision of this act, and punishment for allowing premises to be used for commencement of an offence is that rigorous imprisonment for not less than 10 years, which may extend to 20 years, and fine not less than 1 lakh rupees which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. Then punishment for certain act by license or his servants. First, omitting to maintain accounts in accordance with the provision of this act, failure of producing license, permit or authorization on demand of any authorized officer, then keeping any false account or making false statement, knowingly doing any act in breach of any of the conditions of the license, permit or authorization for which a penalty is not prescribed elsewhere in this act, there is imprisonment up to 3 years or fine or both. Then, punishment for illegal possession in small quantity for personal consumption of any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance or consumption of such drugs or substances where the narcotic drug and psychotropic substance possessed or consumed is cocaine, morphine, diacetylmorphine or any other narcotic drug or any psychotropic substance, then there is imprisonment up to 1 year or fine or both. Where the narcotic drug or psychotropic substance possessed or consumed is other than the mentioned in above, there is imprisonment up to 6 months or fine or both. Enhanced punishment for certain offences after previous conviction. On second and every subsequent conviction of offence, rigorous imprisonment for not less than 15 years which may extend to 30 years with fine not less than 1,50,000 rupees which may extend to 3 lakh rupees. If the subsequent offences relate to ganja, imprisonment up to 10 years with fine up to 1 lakh rupees. And last, punishment for offence for which no punishment is provided under this act, there is imprisonment up to 6 months or fine or both. Thank you.